In this video I'm going to show you how to remove your profile picture on TikTok. So what you want to do is open up TikTok, go to Profile, click on Edit Profile and then click on your profile image. And then you can have View Photo, Upload Photo or Take Photo. And now as you can see there isn't an option to actually remove it entirely. And now because you can't remove it, you can just set up a random photo. So like you can take a photo, put your camera on the screen and just take a photo like that. And then use that as your new image. But if you don't want people to know that you have put like a random profile image, go to your browser, type in TikTok blank profile picture, click on images, and then let's say it's this one. We save this image to photos, go back to TikTok, upload photo, you click on it, recenter it, reframe it, click on save, and that's it. So now if somebody comes to your profile, they will see that you never actually even upload it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.